Hey traders, in my videos about gold, we tend to discuss that from the intraday perspective. We analyze the daily time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, and we always neglect the long-term perspective. So in this video, I decided to analyze with you the long-term perspective. We will analyze the weekly time frame together. We will analyze the structure there, the key levels. We will analyze the trend, and we will try to get what is happening with the market and what to expect from that. It will be very valuable lesson, especially for those who are looking for buying gold for long-term investment. It will be very useful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Right traders, so let's analyze the weekly time frame together. On a weekly time frame, we see the performance of gold during the last 4 years. And here what is very important for us to realize is that since 2018, the market is trading in a sharp bullish trend. Yes, here's our low of 2018, and from that, if we measure this bullish rally, we got 78% net growth. So this rally was exceptional, and here's our all-time structure high. If we follow the impulses, if we follow the swings, you can see how the price acted. We tend to have very extended bullish legs and quite short retracement legs. Yes, so you can see that occasionally gold retraced. Sometimes, by the way, the retracements were quite sharp, but all these retracements were very short term. Yes, and this time when we reached our all-time structure high, the price started a long-term correction cycle. If we measure the length of that correction cycle, here the price lost almost 20% of its value. And so far we are trading in this correctional movement for more than a year. Yes, it is a very long-term correctional movement right here. So let's zoom in the chart right now and let's discuss what is happening with the price during this year. Hey traders, it is the last chance for you to get a lifetime access to my premium educational group on a huge discount. Until Sunday, you can get a lifetime access with the 40% discount. If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn my trading strategy, if you want to learn price action, structure analysis, if you want to see how I trade live, it will be just the best place for you to be. Check the link in the description below. It is vasilytrader.com/private group, or text me in one of the social networks. I will give you more details. Don't miss your chance. In order to get what was happening with the market during this correction cycle, again, the best strategy for us is to follow the price action legs. Yes, the legs of a move. And here was our initial bearish rally from our all-time structure high. You can see that this rally was quite sharp, and then the price retraced. The price retraced and we set a low high right here. Then, very important thing happened. Here the price dropped again. We dropped and we set a new lower close on the weekly. Then the price retraced, yes, and we set the lower high again, and then the price dropped, setting a new lower low. So you can see that the market started to trade in a midterm bearish trend. Even though globally the market remains bullish, even though in the long run, based on our 3 years analysis, the market remains bullish, here the midterm trend is definitely bearish. Yes, we see a very bearish price action. And then you can see that reaching that structure low, the price retraced and we set again a lower high. But this time when the price dropped, when the price tried to go lower and set a new low, instead right here we got the equal low. And so far right here we have quite strong horizontal structure. This horizontal structure is phenomenally important. It is very important for the retail traders. It is very important for bankers, for market maker, and there is a very solid reason for that. Let me try to explain to you why. That structure was phenomenally important for the market participants in 2020 when we started this. When this corona crisis started, the price sharply dropped from that structure. And then when gold recovered, that structure turned into a very strong support, and we saw a very sharp bullish rally from that structure. So you can see that the price right here is trading in a very important historical structure. Yes, many times in the past that structure was respected. Moreover, one very peculiar thing right here. Have you used the Fib right here? Did you measure the retracement right here? Do you know which Fib retracement is there? Look, if we take our last strong bullish rally from the low of 2020 right here and draw the Fib retracement, look what we have right here. We have this 618 retracement. It is exceptional how these Fibs work. Yes, and sometimes the 618 retracement gives us so phenomenally strong key levels. So right here we spotted a very important confluence zone. You can see that buyers for now are willing to buy from that structure, and for now the price didn't manage to go lower. Now how we will apply that structure in our analysis. As we already discussed, the market is trading in a mid-term bearish trend. Bears right now dominate the market. And in this bearish trend, we actually can spot the signs of a bearish accumulation. What do we mean by the bearish accumulation? Within this strong support cluster that we spotted, the price set two equal lows. Yes, here's our first low and here's our second low. And at the same time, the price keeps setting the lower highs. Lower highs tells us that the market in the long run becomes closer and closer to that structure. And you can see that based on our recent bullish reaction from that structure, you can see that from a current perspective, it doesn't look that strong. And moreover, it looks like the market is preparing to retest that structure again. And what it will signify? It will signify a new low high formation right here. I am telling you all that because I won't be surprised that in future we will see the breakout attempt of that horizontal structure. And the breakout attempt of that horizontal structure will lead to a potential very important shift. Yes, in case if that horizontal structure is broken, in case if we see the breakout of that and weekly candle close below that, it will initiate a long-term bearish trend on gold. Yes, in my view, the violation of that key structure will lead to the initiation of a strong long-term bearish trend. Yes, from a mid-term, we will switch to a long-term bearish trend. And our next key structure then will be this low right here, the structure based on 2020. So you can see that the potential for further decline then will be just naturally enormous. Yes, so be prepared for such a scenario. So why am I telling you all that? The thing is that I know that many of you consider gold to be the perfect instrument for investing. And you buy gold, you add it in your portfolio, and you just buy and hold it expecting a long-term growth. The point that I'm trying to make is that even though right now gold is trading with a very nice discount, according to our all-time structure high, it doesn't mean that it is right now a good moment to actually buy it. It looks like the potential for further bearish continuation here is enormous. And for you, the best option right now is to wait for a lower price. Yes, for now, from what we see, I guess the 1450 level will be the closest level to actually buy gold for long term. And from a current perspective, we see the bearish clues, we see the bearish trend. So for you, the current price levels won't give a nice return on investment. Alright traders, hopefully you enjoyed. Please let me know in the comment section whether you want to see such kind of videos when we analyze the long-term perspective of some instrument. For example, we can do that with gold, or for example with your dollar, or with any other instrument. Please let me know in the comment section. Also, don't miss the big autumn sale on my premium educational group. The offer expires this Sunday. The link in the description below, please check that. Also, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much, traders.